Do you know more about Islam?
Yeah, I'm getting. I want to know more. I want to know more because what's that?
It is your duty to want to know about
Absolutely,
Islam.
as it should be with any religion.
You know,
with the true.
And that which it makes sense, you take it. That which it doesn't make sense, you throw it away. But I guarantee anyone who stopped by to listen to what Islam actually is, end up
they're going to see that it's 100% different than what is advertised.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's something we call shahada. Shahada is to bear witness.
Okay.
To bear witness that there is but one God, and Muhammad is the messenger of God. He's not God. He's not son of God. He doesn't have any divinity. He's just a messenger of God, just like the other prophet that walked the earth.
Right.
They are people that God have selected and mold them and shape them to become exemplary for the world. And so that's what Islam is all about. And hopefully
I love that.
Do you have there's this one? There is this. Oh, you have this one?
This one?
Oh yeah, that's it right here.
I got this one.
So that's the address that we have for the this is the masjid. And
is your worship center called a mosque?
Yeah, it's like I would say a church. Church is where Christians worship, right? So a mosque is where the Muslims do worship too. It's a lot of people don't understand what Islam is all about, and they think Islam is Osama bin Laden, they're out to bomb us and this like that, and women are covered. Wow, they're gonna chop off my head, Sharia, that kind of stuff. So people have misconception, and that's so very sad. But you see, the way you're speaking, it's like you have an open,
I have a very
open-minded.
Yes.
You take everything. That's what the book of
I like
Corinthians
educating
said.
myself.
The Bible said, take it all, and take that which is good, and leave the rest. So clearly, there is a part that you have a part, and Islam is one of the ways of life that we try to share with the people. Not what the TV say, not what the radio say, not what they say, but anytime it's always good to hear from the mouth of the horse himself.
Absolutely.
And so definitely, I'm glad you have the Quran.
My gosh.
I mean, no, what I'm saying that you have the Quran in English, right?
Yes.
Quran in English.
Yes, I read like the little it was like a little pocket version of the Quran.
Right.
At one point in time I wasn't doing very well with life. I was sitting up in jail. I was in prison, and that was the first book that I really came across. I've read the Bible. I can't even tell you how many times.
So,
and there's still something missing all the time. The Quran, it helped me get through prison.
A lady that I picked when I was driving a taxi in New York City a long time ago.
Oh, wow.
And she said, she saw my heart. She said, "Are you a Muslim?" Yes, I'm a Muslim. I said, "Oh, so you pray 5 times a day?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Can you do that? How do you do that? 5 times a day?" I said, "Look, each prayer take like 4 minutes."
Right.
So even if it is 5 minutes, 5 times 5, 25 minutes. I have 24 hours. Why can't I give the God who gave me the wind, the air, the food, who gave me life?
Every single thing that you observe on a daily basis.
So we expected that, and she was sitting in the back. Before I know, she said, How can I be like you? How can I be a Muslim too?" She said, "You don't eat pork?" I said, "I don't eat pork because the Bible says don't eat pork. I don't drink because this and that. I don't hunger. I don't use bad words." She said, "Wow, that's Islam." I said, "That's Islam." Jesus, Muhammad, Moses, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Nehemiah, John the Baptist, all of them were agents of God, sent them to guide mankind. That's all Islam is all about.
Right.
And you don't need to go to no hierarchy, the priest, to go and confess. You confess to God.
You confess
because
to God.
The priest, who is the priest who have so many, baggages, and you confess to him? Islam say no to that.
I like that.
I
like this a lot.
That is the basic summation of what Islam is all about.
At one point in time, I wasn't doing very well with life. I was sitting up in jail. I was in prison, and that was the first book that I really came across. I've read the Bible. I can't even tell you how many times. And there's still something missing all the time. The Quran, it helped me get through prison.